Hate to work out? Well, stop beating yourself up trying to get in shape. It's time to get real.
We all know getting fit and staying healthy is so important. But if you're like me, then you hate exercise. Luckily, I found something that makes exercise doable. Body Gym.
Body Gym makes any space your personal gym, and in as little as 9 minutes a day, you can lose weight, tone, and strengthen your body.
I can work my legs, arms, abs.
You can isolate muscles. Really, the sky's the limit.
I lost 15 pounds since I started using the Body Gym.
I lost 30 pounds with Body Gym.
With the Body Gym, I lost 45 pounds.
It's a powerful workout you can do anywhere, even on vacation, and it works for any level from couch potato to athlete. Body Gym will let you target problem areas from pictures right on the bar. You can do over 100 gym quality exercises that deliver remarkable results. You get the patented Body Gym bar with the top exercises right at your fingertips. The Body Gym band with the foot straps is made with multiple layers for power and strength. Just roll the bar for even more resistance. You also get the Body Gym DVD with targeted workouts and this bonus Workout with Marie DVD, plus a convenient backpack, a measuring tape so you can track your results,